To begin, launch the Facebook app on your mobile device. Scroll through your news feed to find a post from the person, page, or group you wish to snooze. Then tap the three-dot menu icon located in the top right corner of the selected post. From the menu that appears, select Snooze Name for 30 days. This action will temporarily hide all posts from that source in your news feed for the next 30 days. You must follow the same procedure for all types of posts from a specific person, page, or group. If you change your mind within 30 days, and wish to manage or undo a snooze, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then, tap the gear icon next to the search icon to open the settings menu. Swipe up to scroll down. Then under the Preferences section, select Content Preferences. Here, you will find the Snooze option. Tap on it. Tap End Snooze next to the snoozed person, page, or group to restore their posts to your feed. You can also search for a specific person to snooze, or snooze any of the suggested contacts from here. This method works the same for any type of post, so you can control your feed without unfollowing or unfriending anyone. So that's how you can snooze, manage, and undo snooze for people, pages, and groups on Facebook.